is Jay Holdeman, one of the owners of the Northern Ohio Technical Training Center. Today, Mother Nature cooperated. We were able to install both a tow wall on our 150 and 25 meter static ranges, as well as close off our vehicle assault bay area using HESCO products.
One of the nice things about the use of the HESCO barrier for a gun range is that traditionally speaking, you would need to have a very large, very wide dirt berm that takes up a lot of space. And if you wanted to separate ranges, that means you would have that much less room in between ranges. So the 5-foot footprint of the HESCO barrier allows us to have more ranges in less space. We have behind me 11,250 square feet of shoot house and 11,250 square foot of multi-use bay or vehicle assault bay. We have 4 static ranges presently completed. We have a 25 meter, a 50 meter, and a 100 meter. And coming in spring of 2017, we'll have a 300-yard rifle range as well.
HESCO products come flat packed and are easily stood up and drawn out by just a few men. Once extended, they can be connected to additional units with the use of a metal pin or shepherd's hook. The process is very quick, and then using heavy equipment, they're filled up with sand or other substrate material to make a ballistic barrier.
As you can see over here, we're installing one of the last MIL-10 units. That is the 7-foot tall, 5-foot wide barrier, one of the largest that we have here at NOTTC. Once it's filled up, it'll allow for essentially 360-degree ballistic capability for a vehicle takedown training, traffic stops, drug rips, any number of different training items. As you can see, this facility used a substantial number of HESCO barriers, so the ease of installation was key for us. With just a handful of individuals helping out, we could get this entire facility up and running in a very short period of time.